Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Good morning, rather. I am Jasmine Ibaldas, and this is our daily devotion. And our topic for today is Paano Lumalam sa Biblia, Special Series 5 of 10, Noachic Covenant. So, our verse for today is Genesis 6:18, New International Version. It says there that, "But I will establish my covenant with you, and you will enter the ark, you and your sons and your wife and your sons' wives with you." So, we need to know that in this passage, it highlights the God's covenant with Noah. Ito yung story ni Noah, wherein inutusan siya ng Panginoon to build an ark for the people, but then we know the rest of the history. So, God says that promising to preserve creation for redemption. So, this covenant signifies God's intention to not only save Noah, but also his family from the flood, but also to preserve the world for a future restoration. So, redemption in this context refers to the ultimate restoration of creation and humanity to the state of wholeness and harmony with God. And we need to know that the Noahic covenant emphasizes that God is creatively or actively involved in preserving the world. And even in the face of widespread corruption and evil, yung covenant na yun, it serves as a reminder that God's plan for creation is not one of destruction, but of restoration. So, yung teachings and application, dinederive neto yung covenant that it have a profound implications for how we will live today. And we are actually called to work with God in preserving the good creation, fighting against evil and corruption, and holding on to hope for the full restoration of the world. So, yung pagpapreserve daw ng good creation, it can actually involve action like caring for the environment, promoting justice and peace, supporting those who are marginalized, and also fighting evil and corruption means actively resisting sin in our own lives and working to disseminate or dismantle the systems of oppression and injustice. And we need to know that this hope should motivate us to live lives that reflect God's love and justice, knowing that our actions contribute to the ultimate restoration of all things. And that is our topic, Paano Lumalim sa Biblia, special series of 5 out of 10 Noahic Covenant. Have a good day and bye for now.